Na nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Wherein Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank I Love It for sending us by far, for the record, the most generous delivery we have received dito po sa bahay. So we would like to thank them for being partner with us for this feature from home ng Wherein Pampanga. Allow me to introduce the food that they sent us one by one. Grabe, ang dami nito guys. The ones that they sent us are their favorite and we're gonna taste them today on this vlog. So let's get into it. Let's start dito sa mga rolls natin, sa mga cheese rolls natin. No? So this is, I think this is a taco. We also have a pepperoni. We have a tuna melt. And then we also have hot dog. And then we have, this is a chicken teriyaki, and then this is ham and cheese. Sobrang eye-appetizing guys. They look really yummy to me. Dito naman sa right ko, meron tayong creamy spaghetti. They also have a cook-it-yourself beef pepper. Okay, so in front of me, meron po tayong Tokwa't Baboy. Grabe guys, this is just so overwhelming. Next is we have a taco, and this is a beef taco. So you have your taco shell. Ito po yung mga ingredients natin, vegetable, you got your beef, the cheese. Meron tayong mga Kapampangan dishes like this sisig. It's a Kapampangan original dish. We also have the tofu sisig. And then, syempre yung mga uso ngayon na baked sushi. Wow, I can't wait to taste that one. And then lastly, for our dessert, we have crinkles. So I think this is a red velvet, and then the other one naman is a chocolate crinkles. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's get into the meat of the details. Let's taste them. I wanna start with this ham and cheese. Kasi kanina pa ako parang sinusuyo ng cheese na to. I gotta taste it. Wow, the cheese, it is so thick, it is so huge. Oh man, I like that one. Although I think it's just a simple dish, it's a cheese roll. Pero grabe, hindi tinipid ang lasa. Ang sarap ng ham, ng cheese. Anyway, so immediately let's proceed to this one. This is their Kapampangan original sisig. So yung balat ng sisig, it's so crispy. You got your fresh onion. It's already spicy. I think it's drizzled with red hot chili peppers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze this calamansi. Alright. Sobrang ang dami nito. So once again, I would like to thank I Love It for being generous with us. Okay. Next to taste, I wanna taste this. Kanina pa ako curious dito sa tofu sisig natin. I am pretty sure this is not the Kapampangan version because it is a little bit creamy. Anyway, let's taste it. Wow, almost immediately yung flavor, it exploded sa bibig ko. You have the creaminess, yung sauce natin, plus I think it still has some ingredients into it na sobrang ang lasa. Malasa talaga siya. I'm really super duper excited. Next, I want to prepare our taco. Let's put in our ingredients. Nasa preference niyo po yun. But for me, the vegetable comes first. And let's put in these tomatoes on top. Then, the beef meat. Let's put it on top. And then lastly, cheese. I want to put in a lot of cheese. And then top it all off our taco sauce. The taco shell really looks crispy. So let's taste it. Guys, this is their taco. Wow. Wow. I don't think this is yung parang heavy on the spices, but it is super refreshing. I love the vegetable. They are so fresh, so crunchy. It is so refreshing to eat. Oh wow. Okay, I want to proceed with their creamy spaghetti. For me, Yung lasa ng spaghetti natin is in the middle between the Filipino taste and then the Italian. Filipino because it's sweet, and then the Italian because it has some, may mga nalasahan ako ng mga herbs and spices na hindi natin normal nilalagay sa mga Pinoy style spaghetti. Woo! So many to taste, guys. I wanna move on with their baked sushi. Meron tayo ditong nori wrapper. And then let's just, you know, scoop just a portion dito sa corner. So these food, no, mga ganitong pagkain are actually great for potluck. They are not that messy to eat. Para silang mga food on the go. Okay, so next I wanna try is yung biggest pan in this table, which is their Tokwa't Baboy. Meron tayong ano dito, Tokwa't Baboy sauce. Some ingredients, put it on our plate. Of course, the major ingredients here, the Tokwa't or the tofu. We have your chopped baboy, celery, some onions, and a lot of chili. I wanna put in a lot of chili here. And then, lagyan natin ng ating suka. Suka. Woof. Alright. Thanks so much. I love it. No? So again, I'm still stunned and overwhelmed. Thanks so much po for being generous to us. Oh wow. Ang sarap ng suka nila. Acidity is not overpower. At the same time, ang dami rin niyang sahog, no? Okay, so probably last but not, this is not the least food that we are sharing with you guys. But I wanna try itong rolls nila na chicken teriyaki. I love teriyaki food, no? Oh wow, sweet, a little bit salty. The chicken, it is tender, it is soft. So let me just repeat, no? May mga available flavors pa po yung mga rolls nila. You gotta check them out. You have hot dog, pepperoni, tuna melt, taco, at saka ng roast beef. So you gotta check their fan page, do a transaction with them. So if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Lalong-lalo na yung friend mo na alam mo na matatakam talaga sa mga pagkain nito. Any reactions coming from you guys is highly appreciated. So please give it a thumbs up. Lastly, for our dessert, I wanna try yung ating crinkles. This is a red velvet, I think. And then in the middle, you have your frosting filling. Oh, it is so soft, so tender. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm not gonna bore you. So please, order from them. Thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Stay safe and have a great day. See you in the next video.